Hello, so here's an update on my lampshade. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of work done, although I had a delay of 2 weeks because I was waiting for some number 10 thread to be delivered, and it finally arrived so I could continue. So as you can see, I made the top edge out of a plait, and if you look, I run a piece of thread through the plait to keep it together, and then I tack it down onto the background cloth. So if you look, it's just tacked down. Make sure you use a contrasting colour so that you can see it when you want to cut it off when the lace is finished. For the bottom Celtic knot, I subdivided the edge into sections because I wanted that end to fit in with that end. So here I've run out of a strand, and I'm going to be joining it together with just a few stitches. And if you look, every little crossing of the strands I've stitched down with a few stitches to keep it together so it won't unravel. I only need to make sure that this top edge is defined, because that's where the lace will end. That's where it'll join up. Up to now, I'm not yet sure if this is the permanent layout, but these are some of the motifs I've laid out, and I'm going to be making some tendrils coming out of them. And these are some of the other motifs from the Manchester book of embroidery I might use. I've still got a big pile there, so I've got plenty of motifs to fill the whole lace. I'll be showing in a video how I made these different motifs. This is where the motifs started getting a little bit more difficult, and some of them were quite difficult, to be honest. Like this one was very difficult to accomplish, and this one was a bit of guesswork at times. So now you can see how far I've got, and I'll be showing you when I start making the background. It's very important when you place the motifs down that you put them up with the reverse side up, because when the lace is made, it's the other side that will be the front side. So anything you have here on the back won't be visible once the lace is made. So I hope you enjoy this, and I hope it encourages you to make your own piece of lace. So I'll be posting a few more videos next week showing you how to make the motifs.